If you want to grab attention for promotions or announcements, adding scrolling text to your Shopify store makes it dynamic and eye-catching. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. Choose the page or section where you want the scrolling text to appear, such as the header or homepage. Click Add section and select either the built-in announcement bar or a custom HTML section if your theme doesn't have one. Enter the text you want to display, customize the font, size, and color, and enable scrolling or marquee settings if available. Save your changes and preview your store to ensure the text scrolls smoothly and appears correctly across desktop and mobile devices. After saving, your scrolling text will appear on your Shopify store to highlight promotions or announcements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.